And today's thought of the day is staying consistent with fitness goals. And raise your hand if you have ever bought gym clothes that cost more than your actual gym visits. I'm one of them. Keep it up if you screenshot motivational fitness quotes while eating pizza. And keep it raised if you've ever said, I'll start Monday on a Wednesday. I'm the culprit. Yes, I'm one of them. But I would say I was one of them because I changed myself. But anyway, today we are talking about the fitness goals. So, welcome to the club of perfectly imperfect humans. And today we are going to crack the code on something that trips up 90% of us staying consistent with fitness goals. And here's the brutal truth nobody wants to hear: motivation is like your phone battery, it dies when you need it most. Imagine this: it's 6 a.m. on a Tuesday, your alarm screams, your bed feels like a warm hug from your grandmom. And meanwhile, that motivation you felt watching fitness videos at midnight, it's nowhere to be found. It didn't leave a note, it just ghosted you. But here's what separates the people scrolling through transformation photos from those actually living them. Discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most. Yes, I repeat, discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most. Think about it. You brush your teeth not because you're motivated, but because you've decided tooth decay isn't the vibe. You show up to work not because Monday morning spark joy, but because you've committed to a bigger picture. The teenager who chooses to walk to school instead of getting dropped off isn't motivated every morning. They've made a decision. The parent who does squats while dinner cooks isn't feeling pumped about burpees. They're honoring a commitment to themselves. So, motivation is the spark, but discipline is the steady flame that keeps burning when the wind tries to blow it out. And now, let me tell you about the most underrated fitness strategy. Yes, the just 10 minutes rule. Your brain is basically a drama queen. Tell it you're going to work out for an hour and it starts planning your funeral. But tell it just 10 minutes. And suddenly it's like, oh, that's cute. Sure, whatever. So here's what happens in real life: you tell yourself you'll just walk for 10 minutes. You put on your shoes, already a win. You step outside, another win. 5 minutes in, you think, oh, this actually feels good. And before you know it, you've been walking for 20 minutes. But even if you stop at 10, you've kept your promise to yourself. Compare this to the all or nothing approach. I'll run five, I'll run, I'll run 5 miles every day. Day one, 5 miles. Day two, 3 miles. Day three, I'm already behind. What's the point? And day four, through forever. Netflix. A teenager doing 10 push ups every morning before school will be stronger than someone planning elaborate workout routines they never start. A parent doing a 10-minute YouTube workout video after kids are in bed will see more progress than someone waiting for the perfect 90-minute window that never comes. And why just 10 minutes is better than skipping? Because showing up builds the muscles of showing up. And that muscle gets stronger every single day you use it. So every time you keep a promise to yourself, You make a deposit in your self trust bank account. Every time you break one, you make a withdrawal. So think about your most reliable friend. Why do you test them? Because when they say they'll be there at 7, they show up at 6:55. When they promise to help you, they arrive with coffee and enthusiasm. Okay, maybe just coffee. So you need to become that friend to yourself, because small wins equal self trust, and self trust equals consistency, and it's a beautiful cycle. The person who commits to drinking one extra glass of water daily and actually does it for a week has just proven to themselves that I have someone who keeps commitments. That confidence spills over, that if I can do this small thing, maybe I can do that slightly bigger thing. But the person who promises themselves they'll wake up at 5 a.m., meal prep for the week, and hit the gym for 2 hours, and then manages none of it, has just reinforced the story: I can't trust myself to follow through. Start small, build trust, then expand. A 16-year-old who commits to taking the stairs instead of the elevator and actually does is developing a superpower that will serve them for decades. You know, here's a game changer that most people never hear. Visualize the version of yourself who never skips twice. I repeat, visualize the version of yourself who never skips twice. Life happens. You'll miss workouts. Your teenager will have exams, projects, friend drama. Adults will have work deadlines, sick kids, family emergencies. The goal isn't perfection, it's resilience. The version of you who never skips twice says, okay, I missed yesterday, that happens. But now I'm not missing today too. One skip is life, two skips is a pattern, and three skips is a lifestyle change you didn't consciously choose. Now, this mindset transforms everything. Instead of thinking, I've ruined everything, might as well quit, you think, I'm one workout away from being back on track. And right now, I want you to choose a realistic movement goal for the next 7 days. Not something impressive enough for Instagram, something so doable that your future self will thank you. Maybe it's a 10-minute walk during lunch, or maybe it's doing stretches while your coffee brews, or maybe it's a parking at the far end of the parking lot, and maybe it's dancing to two songs while getting ready in the morning. Write it down, not in your phone, on actual paper. Studies show we are 42% more likely to achieve goals we write down. That's not magic, that's science working in your favor. Your body is the only home you'll ever truly own. Every workout, every walk, every time you choose movement over stillness, you're not just building muscle or burning calories, you're having a conversation with your future self. You are saying, I see you, I value you, I'm investing in the life we are going to live together. And the most beautiful part about consistency isn't the physical transformation. Though that's nice, it's the quiet confidence that grows when you realize you're exactly the kind of person who keeps promises to themselves. Your challenge starts now. Choose your movement, write it down, show up tomorrow, and then show up the day after that. Not because you're motivated, but because you've decided who you want to be. the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. So your fitness journey tree is waiting to be planted. What are you going to choose? And with that thought, thank you everyone. Thank you everyone for joining us today. Thank you.